natural vibration, the rhythm of a body. ऐसे याद रख सकते, the rhythmic, our heart beating, it's beating naturally. Everyone has a different, everything that you do after every activity, it beats differently. Every heart has a rhythm, right? So every body which is suspended and every body which is capable of having elasticity. Elasticity क्या है बता सकते हो? There is space, intermolecular space जिसमें होता है उसमें elasticity ज़्यादा होता है. So can I say air is very elastic? Solids are less elastic. They are rigid. Can I say they are rigid? तो एक किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को अगर बजाते हैं, किसको बजाएं? तो इसमें तो कॉन्स्टेंटली आवाज नहीं आ रहा है, राइट? बट इफ आई नो नीड टू डू दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट, बार बार आ रहा है कि नहीं साउंड, बिकॉज दीज पार्टिकल्स आर वाइब्रेटिंग. इट्स अ लॉन्गर लास्टिंग साउंड और नॉट दैट दिस इज अ थप, बट दिस इट्स resounding, you can hear it because this is vibrating more than this is absorbing more, this is vibrating more. स्ट्रिंग को प्लग करते हैं हम जब गिटार बजाने के लिए, कोई भी स्ट्रिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजाने के लिए, वाइब्रेट्स. दैट वाइब्रेशन गिव्स अस एन ऑडिबल साउंड. whenever we are playing the tabla, whenever I am playing the flute, when I am playing the flute, what vibrates? The air particles in air, in the medium vibrates, right? Whenever we are playing a string instrument, the string itself vibrates. Whenever I am playing tabla, that's the membrane of the tabla, which is made of leather, that vibrates. So something is vibrating, that is why we are getting that sound.
And उसके अंदर जो air भी होता है वो,
yes, that also vibrates. But mainly it is because of the surface area. Mainly, बाकी तो बहुत कुछ, हम लोग जब भी गिटार बजाते हैं तभी भी because of the hollowness, the vibration increases. You can't have a guitar which is made up of iron. No, you need to have a certain material. Not every wood can make, like not every wood can be used to make a guitar. Like not every wood can be used to make a bag. When you are just saying furniture का material use करके अगर bag बना भी दिया, that is going to absorb all the energy from the ball and not go anywhere. So you need something which is less absorbent. So you need a certain kind of wood, certain kind of timber, which is going to be pine wood या फिर mahogany. These are the qualities that are used. So everything has a certain quality of absorbing or reflecting. Some substances need, some situations need more absorption, some situation needs more reflection. Depending on that, we choose what the material of that particular instrument or that particular object should be. So let's start with our first thing, which is my natural vibrations. Natural vibrations, always vibrations are periodic. Rhythm बोला ना मैंने आपको, rhythm का मतलब क्या है? Periodically it is coming again and again. अब sound wave कैसा होता है? It's like this. So if it has started like this, it will go like this only, and then it will dampen slowly because of the external factors. If a sound wave has started like this, it will go like this only. समझा? जैसा ही nature है sound wave का, उसका wave type, wave form, what do we call this? Wave form will remain the same. All of these are sinusoidal, but wave form is different from each other or not? So, but is it periodic? Is it repeating itself after a certain covering of, after one wavelength? Is it repeating itself? It's repeating itself. So what are natural vibrations? The periodic vibrations. Periodic vibrations in a body in the absence of an external force. मतलब कोई बाहर से रोक नहीं रहा है तो कंटिन्यूअसली चलेगा कि नहीं? And once I have set something in motion, pendulum तो चलता रहेगा ना? Unless there is an external force, it will continue to go. Once I set it in motion, एक तरह से पकड़ के छोड़ दिया, it will continue to be in the it will continue to be in the state of motion in a periodic sense, right? So the periodic vibrations of a body in the absence of an external force. Is this clear? Natural vibrations. What are natural vibrations? Let's take an example. Pendulum. Pendulum, once I set a pendulum off in motion, it is on its own. ऐसा तो नहीं है इस तरफ से भी धक्का मारो, उस तरफ से भी धक्का मारो, सीसॉ तो नहीं है ना? पेंडुलम, सीसॉ एंड पेंडुलम के बीच का डिफरेंस समझे. पेंडुलम will have that harmonic motion, but seesaw you will have to apply force constantly, isn't it? Isn't it? So pendulum का कैसे हम लोग निकालते हैं? Pendulum's time period is 2 pi. No need to write anything right now. I'll give you that. 2 L upon G. Therefore, the frequency is going to be 1 upon 2 pi.
G upon L.
This is the frequency of pendulum. Next, different pendulums depending on their length and where they are placed, they will have different frequencies. Whatever it depends on, what does it depend on? Length and acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity Earth में तो एक ही रहेगा. But whatever, these are the two factors which are actually responsible for it. Is the mass of the bob responsible for this? No. Next is a load suspended from a string. Let's see this. This is a spring and I have suspended a block from it.
तो मैम अगर दो पेंडुलम जिसका ऐसा लेंथ सेम एंड सेम ही जगह पे रखे हुए हैं
और सेम ही फोर्स अप्लाई किया है उसको मूव करते हुए,
अगर बॉब उनका डिफरेंट वेट का होगा सेम ही
you have to apply the same external force. Okay, so this is what, this is a spring on which I have suspended a body. The moment I leave the body, body को suspend करके छोड़ा, it will go up down up down up down up down और धीरे धीरे stop करेगा. Stop क्यों कर रहा है? Because of external factors. Vacuum में imagine करो, will it stop? No. So it has a certain vibration of its own. Can I say this? Can I say it has a certain vibration of its own? So here, this is the frequency of a pendulum. Frequency of spring, when we are talking about springs, a stretched or compressed spring. This is just an example. Stretched या compressed spring भी ले सकते हो. When we are talking about springs, we will talk about 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon 2 pi upon K upon M. मैंने आपको यहाँ पर small m समझाया था ना? नहीं, mass upon length. You remember what we discussed this? Root of क्या था? Root of what was your spring velocity of sound? Root of what? Pressure.
Something upon
something. Yes. Pressure. Upon volume. It was gamma p upon density. It was gamma p upon density. But when we were talking about a string instrument, string की बात जब भी कर रहे थे, it was what? It was upon m. Instead of density, we were using m. M is basically mass of the body upon the length of the body, which basically means density or not. इतना पतला string है, इसका volume होगा क्या? Negligible होगा. That's why we consider the length. Only the length aspect of it. So mass per unit length is basically going to give me the density of the string or not, right? So this is the factor that this is what we
constant.
K is called as constant. K just you know this as constant. It's hardness constant, spring constant, a lot of names for it. Force constant. These are not very important things. They don't usually ask this. Only examples पूछते हैं. इनकी force natural vibrations का examples. Okay. Next, let us come to tuning fork. You know what is a tuning fork, right?
Yes.
Tuning fork is the only instrument which is man-made which has only one frequency. Otherwise, all instruments have different variety of frequency, different timbre. But tuning fork doesn't have any timbre. What does that mean? That tuning fork plays at only one frequency. उसका waveform ऐसा ही होगा. It will play at a frequency of 256 Hertz. 512 Hertz or 100 and what is this? 1024 Hertz.
048 Hertz.
बस इधर तक 1024 तक भी नहीं जाता. 100 and what is this? 128 Hertz भी होता है. इसी frequency पे it will keep on vibrating at the same frequency and it will have this kind of a waveform. No additional timbre. Only instrument which has no additional timbre is going to be a tuning fork. Tuning fork is only recognizable by its frequency at which it is vibrating. Okay, that is also natural vibration. एक बार मार दिया उसको, बस पकड़ लिया, वो vibrate होता रहेगा इसी frequency पे till it stops because of the resistive forces. Is this much clear? ए सोना मत. क्या होगा जी?
ट्यूनिंग फोक में वो सीरियल नंबर.
Okay, then we can talk about when we strike the keys of a piano. अंदर क्या मैकेनिज्म चलता है पता है आपको?
हाँ.
एयर का कंप्रेशन एंड रेफ्रैक्शन होता है कि नहीं?
No.
Every time we are doing.
Piano में there is a hammer or string.
There is a, I know, but that hammer when it is before that, when they are playing the strings, they are all connected by these certain, like what do you say? These wire sort of a system, wire system. So every time we play, there is a plug which goes down and it moves this body. So there is an inclusion of string as well as air. Both the factors have to be included when we are talking about piano. When we are playing a piano. So can I say when I just किसी भी piano, किसी भी instrument का अगर बटन दबा देते हो तो वो अंदर जाके vibration होता है. So that is also a natural vibration or not? Piano. These are all examples. Flute में कौन vibrate कर रहा है? Air column vibrate करता है. So flute में अगर मैंने there are many holes in a flute, isn't it? So I can decrease or increase the air column by holding the finger here. I am making the air column very short, or am I making it long? I am making it long. Yes, this is what you shouldn't miss out. इसको बंद कर दिया तो मतलब यहाँ तक जाएगा ना air. इसको भी बंद कर दिया तो यहाँ तक जाएगा ना. I am making it longer. By holding these, I am making the air column longer. By making the air column longer, I can change the frequency. By changing the air size of the air column, can I change the frequency of a flute?
Yes.
So can I say flute is also an example of natural vibration? What happens inside a flute after I have played a tune? Flute का air column का एक चीज, flute का इसीलिए important है because we need to know one thing: modes of vibration. Modes of vibration of a flute. Frequency ratio क्या होता है पता है? 1:3:5 होता है. Organ type का, flute का 1:3:5. Organ, mouth organ. Okay, when we are talking about organ pipes or mouth organ, the frequency modes are 1:, नहीं, flute का 1:2:3 होता है, 1:3:5 होता है organ. ठीक है, ये दोनों बस याद रखो. I don't know how important this part is. That's why I'm doing it with you. Usually this is not test. These things are not test. Guitar, sitar, violin. These are also examples of the same thing. And tension between two strings. Always tension रहता है ना गिटार में या सितार में. tension देके रखते हैं कि नहीं हम लोग दो strings. So when you play, that's why we are able to hear a vibration. If the tension is less, then we won't be able to hear the vibration, right? बस natural vibration का what does a natural vibration look like? Simply like a wave. So it is never going to stop unless an external force is acting on it, right? This is how it will look. This is the conclusion, right? This is how your natural vibration will. Now we will come to damped vibration. Damped means what? Something which is dampened. Dampened meaning something which is stopped or something which is like reduced in a certain way. क्यों होगा कोई vibration dampened? Can you tell me? Because an external force is acting on. बज रहा है. मैंने पकड़ लिया string. Stop. या फिर बजे जा रहा है and there is air pressure, there are a lot of other factors, slowly it will stop. So can I say always there are some external forces which are acting, resistive forces which are acting on the body, on a vibrating body? So we will call that damped vibration. What vibration? Damped vibration. What are my damped vibration? The periodic vibration. Periodic word is very important. The periodic vibration of a body of decreasing amplitude. Amplitude is the height, na? तो धीरे धीरे amplitude decrease होगा. Why? Because there is an external force acting on it, isn't it? The periodic vibrations of a body of decreasing amplitude. बोला ना चैप्टर, इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ, सुन लो बोरिंग मुझे भी लगता है, कर नहीं सकते सामने बोरिंग होगी, इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ रेजिस्टिव फोर्सेस. Okay, so what will happen in this body? There are resistive forces present. So it started off like this, then it will, the amplitude will go down slowly. इसका diagram draw करने आता है. So can I say this is the kind of motion? Graphically this is the motion. Graphically this is the motion. Can I say this? This is the nature of a dam. Hey, what are you doing here, Samas? क्या ड्रॉ कर रहा है बेटा? सुनना नहीं है आपको, क्या बोल रहा हूँ? क्या सुना? क्या डैम?
Periodic vibrations which reduce amplitude of the
Right.
because of the resistance.
Resistive forces. This is how it looks. So now we will be seeing damped vibration. What are the forces that are acting? I softly introduce this to you. So last class I think.
इसमें डैम्पिंग है ना?
नहीं, आवाज आ नहीं रहा है because there is no material medium. Medium को ले लिया. Medium prove करता है वो. Medium जरूरत है. वो prove the requirement of doing Bell-Jar experiment is to show that it needs a material medium. Damp करना नहीं हो, medium ही ले लिया. Okay, so what are the two forces that acts on any vibrating body? Definitely resistive forces. Resistive forces come from outside. It's an external force, isn't it? What is the other force? The body is that body what we are talking about is a certain type of a machine. It's a mechanical body, isn't it? So I told you about restoring forces. So restoring forces is, just imagine this. Your body when you are running, बाहर एटमॉस्फेयर हो या ना हो, will you get tired at a point of time or not? Your body is going to, run out of its own energy, the potential energy that it had, right? Consider that part. So every time when there are particles which are, like rubbing against each other or whatever is happening, every instrument is a machine. Our sound box is a machine. It may have a tendency of stopping by itself. Right? It will need a constant application of energy. If it doesn't have that energy, my energy is over, I will stop talking on Monday. That will never happen.
But it happens.
Restoring
अभी इतना potential energy क्यों है?
Restoring forces. So why is restoring forces? This is the energy of the body. What is this? So can I say this is the internal energy of the body. Body में जितना energy है उतना ही बचेगा ना वो. मैंने वाइब्रेट करके छोड़ दिया स्ट्रिंग को. String vibrate, intermolecular activity is also going on. There is production of heat. Energy is getting dissipated. So after a point of time, the energy will get over. Finish हो जाएगा. So internally, externally, two forces are acting on the body for dampening it. What are the two forces? Resistive, which is from the outside environment, in the presence of air or any medium, and restoring forces, which is my body's tendency. Okay, my body's tendency to dissipate its energy. Right? There is constant energy transformation happening. Because of that, I will at a point of time lose my energy. Both are responsible for this or not? Okay, let's take some examples. Everyone, please jago. Jago.
Yes, ma'am.
Get up. Yes. उठ जाओ. क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग? बूढ़े लोग.
सो रहे हैं.
अरे तुम लोग ऐसे बस बैठे हो तो हाँ ना कुछ नहीं बोलते हो.
Yes, ma'am. We are ready to learn.
Examples. When a branch of tree, when I hold a branch of tree and leave it, what will happen? It will vibrate and slowly stop or not?
Yes.
So a branch of tree स्ट्रोक किया तो इसका स्टार्टेड ट्यूनिंग, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एयर इट विल स्टॉप और नॉट ट्यूनिंग फॉर stops in आती हो in presence of air. Simple pendulum will also stop and loaded spring will also stop vibrating at a point of time. In all these cases which I have mentioned now, what are the forces that are acting? Both restoring and resistive will act or not? किसी में resistive ज़्यादा होगा, किसी में restoring ज़्यादा होगा, but both are acting at the same time.
पर forces.
अक्ल नहीं है. So natural and damped vibrations के बीच का difference हम लोग समझ गए. Did you understand this very easy concept? ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
मैं सोते यस ना बोल रहा है.
So what are the differences between natural and forced vibrations? Forced. Amplitude remains same. Right? Why? Because there is no external or restoring forces acting on the body. Amplitude remains same. Here what happens? Amplitude slowly decreases. Slowly decreases. Decreases. Next, there is no loss of energy. There is no loss of energy. Here there is a loss of energy which is basically by restoring force. There is no loss of energy. Energy is lost with each vibration. पूछ लो. यूनिफॉर्म दोनों में इसीलिए है कि अगर वैक्यूम में यूनिफॉर्म बजा के रख दे तो वो वाइब्रेट करता रहेगा नेचुरली. लेकिन फिर भी उसका रिस्टोरिंग फोर्स तो एक टाइम पर उसको रोकने ही वाला है. ठीक है. बट व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट यूनिफॉर्म इन एयर इट विल स्टॉप ना इवेंचुअली. इसीलिए